Hello folks. Well, it's been a little while since the last video, and we ended up getting sick again. Not sure if it was COVID or if it was a bad flu. They acted a lot the same. I don't know. I didn't go to the doctor, so I don't know which one it was. Still got a little cough, but that was 2 weeks. That was a bad 2 weeks. But anyway, we're pretty much over it. And we got back out on the water yesterday. It was the first little front, the actual front that we've had. We've had zero cold weather, nothing. It's been high 80s. And it's unusual to be this far in November without getting a decent front. And this one didn't do much to the temperature, but it did give us a north wind, which was supposed to not be bad. And it was supposed to be dying the whole day. But it ended up blowing a gale. And you'll see in the video, you'll hear it too with the microphones and stuff. But Susie was wanting redfish. She wanted to eat fish again. So we went out there, and my fall areas that normally by this time of year are red hot, it's more like summer. There's just not, the fish haven't moved in like they normally do this time of year. But we beat around and ended up catching enough to make a good meal. And we got them on the man's waker. I don't even know what color this is. Green, silver with a little splash of red on the bottom. But it's the only thing we threw. And that's what we caught them on. So anyway, I appreciate y'all's patience. This getting old ain't no fun, I can tell you that. Anyway, that's enough yakking. Let's get on to the video. And thanks for watching. There he is. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. We got supper. Well, we're out here in a gale, trying to catch some fish. Mama wants redfish for supper, so I'm going to keep this one. There he is. He came off. Gosh, dog it. That's a good one too. Mm. Mm. There he is. Mr. Trout. Mr. Trout. Slim pickings today, boys. The weatherman lied. Wasn't supposed to blow this hard. There he is. It's a pretty good one, feels like. Oh yeah, baby. Come to Papa. Come here, buddy boy.